The squat is one of the fundamental movements, and it's essential for you if you're lifting weights, if you're doing body weight training, to get it right, because there's so many of us that still don't have a good squat, okay? And it's just understanding the basic principles and engaging the muscle groups that you need to ensure you've got a good squat. So let's get into it. So starting with your positioning, okay, a good position is feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly outwards, okay, and as we're sitting down into the squat, okay, my knees are not going to track over my toes here, okay, they're going to stay pretty much in line with the tips of my toes. Okay, as I'm doing that, okay, I'm not going to sit with my hips down into my feet, because that's going to drive my knees out this way. Okay, what I'm going to do is reach out with my hips like I'm sitting down on a couch or on the throne. Okay, so that's your knee position, your feet, your knees and your hip positioning done. Okay, all pretty straightforward. Now the most important thing that a lot of us forget when we squat, okay, is keeping the upper body upright. Okay, there's lots of us that squat, okay, that curve down here. We get the squat depth, but the back, we miss out on all of the workout with our back, okay, because it's quite a bit of effort to keep the back upright here in the squat position. Okay, and what we're needing to do, keep the chest big, keep the head up and hands up, and really engage the lower back as we sit into our squat there. Imagine flexing like this, poking your chest out, bring the arms back, just standing here like this. That's what we're doing when we sit into the squat. We go from our hips being up here to arching back, and we're keeping that upper body upright, really engaging the muscles through there. Okay, and that's how we keep the back nice and postured up as we sit into the squat position there. And this is how we do a squat. Now if you're just starting out with squatting, getting these fundamentals right and building your squat is really important. And to build it and strengthen your squat, we're wanting to spend time at the hardest point of the squat down here. So take your time down to it, spend a bit of time down there, come up. Okay, that's a good rep for a squat. We don't want to drop, okay, and be unstable, knees going out. Okay, we want to be nice and stable, hands out in front, nice strong position. Okay, that's how we build it up. Start with doing 10 squats if you've never done them before. Do a squat hold for 10 seconds. Have a break, come back, do a couple more rounds. Increase the amount of squats that you're doing and the squat hold. Down here, holding for 20 seconds, second time when you come back. Building it up, and that's how you're going to get a stronger squat. Alright team, the squat demoed for you. Crank it up.